People wonder about the heat wraps that are recommended to put around the water heaters. They are probably a good heat loss prevention. Utility companies do recommend them. I'm hesitant to recommend them because often they're put on where they block the service components of the water heater. And they certainly can be put on where they block the air intake for the water heater if it's a gas water heater, and that can cause some problems. One of the things that I look at from the opposite standpoint of the utilities is that heat loss that you have, particularly in a garage, also helps heat the garage. So there's a plus to that heat loss that the utilities probably don't let the homeowners know about.